Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to be online on TikTok. To get started, let's open TikTok app. You are in your For You page. Here you can see many icons like home, friends, plus, inbox and profile. For now, let's go to your inbox icon. Click on it. Now here you can see inbox on topmost of this page. Click on it. And now as you can see, my status is turn off. So if you want to be online on TikTok, then just turn in by clicking here. Here you go, you have successfully online on TikTok. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.